Hi beautiful humans, welcome to Backpacking Barbara, and today I'll be reviewing the DJI Mavic 3 camera drone. Have you been curious about the camera? Well, in this video I'll walk you through the expectations for its camera capabilities, from its 5K video resolution to its sensor promising stunning aerial imagery like never before. Additionally, I'll provide a detailed unboxing experience highlighting everything included in the box pack, from the drone itself to essential accessories. Join me as we delve into what makes the Mavic 3 a game changer in aerial photography and what you can expect straight out of the box. Whether you're a first-time drone owner or a seasoned enthusiast, this video will prepare you for an exciting journey into the world of the high-quality aerial imaging. In the box, you will typically find the DJI Mavic 3 drone, a remote controller, intelligent flight battery, battery charger, a power cable, protector, USB-C cable, spare propellers, spare control sticks, filters, and the manual and documentation. And this comprehensive package equips you with everything you need to start capturing stunning aerial footage right out of the box. Some of the unique features of the DJI Mavic 3 include the hybrid autofocus system, combining phase and contrast detection for fast and accurate focusing, and the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, equipped with sensors on all sides for enhanced collision avoidance. Don't forget the sensor, which is large enough for improved low light performance and dynamic range. The 5K video resolution that captures breathtaking detailed videos with stunning clarity. The advanced AI feature, intelligent flight modes and subject tracking for effortless and creative aerial shots. The enhanced battery life for longer aerial sessions. The digital zoom, high quality zoom capabilities without sacrificing image quality. These features combine to make the DJI Mavic 3 a versatile and powerful tool for aerial photography and cinematography, setting it apart from all other drones on the market. Cheers.